A major to E major. A little faster, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, go. A major. Stay on whole notes if you wish, but if you're ready, play quarters, halves. You can do it, you know what to do. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... I'm going to play some 16th notes with my thumb. 2, 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... Back to whole notes. Sixteenths. Yeah, and a go, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a